Hello guys, let me show you how to use AdBlock on the HTC U Ultra. So there's two types of using this. So first is the browser called Opera Mini, because it has the built-in AdBlock. As you can see, there's no any ads on this site. I can also click here and see that 2 ads were blocked. But also you have to download the AdBlock from the Google Play Store. So I just did it, and here it is. And if I type here any address and go to the website, you will see that 3 ads were blocked. So this is how it works on this device. Thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions, and of course comments below.